If you want to change the timer sound on your iPhone, here's how to do it in iOS 26. First, open the Clock app on your iPhone. Next, tap the Timers tab at the bottom of the screen. Before starting a timer, tap When Timer Ends. This is where you can customize the sound that plays when your timer finishes. You'll see a list of built-in alert tones. Tap on any sound to preview it and choose the one you want to use. Um, if you'd prefer the timer to stop media playback instead of playing a sound, scroll to the bottom and select Stop Playing. Then tap Set to save your choice. Ah, Depending on your iPhone model and iOS version, you may also have options to purchase or download additional tones through the Tone Store. Once you've selected your preferred sound, tap Set in the top right corner. Your new timer sound will now be used for future timers. And that's how to change the timer sound on your iPhone in iOS 26.